Is that yummy ice cream? Yummy ice cream. Nathan. Nathan. Nathan Charlotte. You gonna eat some ice cream? Careful. Careful. You gonna eat some ice cream? Is that yummy? Yummy? Is it good? Is it yummy? Is it good? Does it make you happy? Does it make you happy? Are we at McDonald's? Good. Okay. You enjoy that ice cream.
Good.